Hello dear students, welcome to Partnership Accounts in the Financial Accounting. Today we will see how to calculate interest on drawings. Simply interest on drawings we know how to calculate. But when partners are drawing the amount, interest on drawings will be always on the drawings when partners are drawing any amount. When the partners are drawing beginning of the month, middle of the month, end of the month, then that makes a difference in calculation of interest on drawings. You need to be very careful. So we'll take a problem and I'll show you. So the problem is here, X, Y, Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. And each partner withdraws the fixed sum of 4,000 per month. Every month they are withdrawing, each partner 4,000 rupees for personal use. Mr. X withdraws on first day of every month. First day of every month. Mr. Y withdraws on last day of every month. And Mr. Z withdraws on the middle of the every month. Calculate interest on drawings. So simple, I'll show you, and interest rate is here 6%. First, what do we write? Calculation of interest on solution. Calculation of interest on drawings. First, we'll calculate the total interest, total drawings. So 4,000 per month they said. Every partner is drawing 4,000 per month. Means full year is how much? Total year drawings. Is equal to 4,000 into 12 months. 12 fours are 48. So 48,000 is the total year each partner withdrawing. Now we'll calculate on 48,000 interest. Is interest on drawings. In the same way, B is interest on drawings. Next, C is interest on drawings. A is here, XYZ, no? So I'll write XYZ. Mr. X withdraws on first day of every month. Every month, first day he is withdrawing. For this, you need to calculate every month. Every month, slowly if you calculate and if you see, it comes 6.5 months only. So rather than calculating all these things, simply remember 6.5. When he is withdrawing on first day, 6.5%. 6.5 when he is withdrawing on first day. Another one is that Y withdraws last day of every month. Last day, if you calculate, it will come 5.5 months. Second case, this is first day, this is last day. 5.5 months you are going to get. This is months. And the next one, Z withdraws on middle of every month. Middle of every month. So that will be exactly 6 months. For Z, third case is here 6 months. Middle. Rather than calculating all the months, blindly remember this. First day withdrawing means 6.5. Last day withdrawing 5.5. Last day means a little bit months, days will become less. So that is why 5.5. First day withdrawing means that including that month also. So that is why it will be 6.5. Middle means 6 months, exactly half. So this you have to remember. Then it will be easy. Now the calculation is here. Interest on drawings, total amount is 48,000. Each person is drawing 48,000 only. Every month 4,000. And now interest rate is 6%. Months, if you see, X is withdrawing on every month, first day only. First day means 6.5%. And here it is last month, last day. Last day means 5.5. Months, no? So 6.5 by 12. Out of 12 months, this much only. And here last case is middle of the month, means 6 by 12. Just simply we'll calculate it. We'll use the calculator. For 480 into 6.5 divided by 2. It is 1560 is the interest on drawings of A. In the same B is 480 into 5.5 divided by 2. It is 1320. In the same way for C is 480 into 6 divided by 2. It is 1440. That's all. This is interest on drawings. You can just note down or take a screenshot. So if it is clear, I'll give you one problem. You can just try this. So the problem is here. Ram, Lakshman and Hanuman. XYZ, you take it as Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman. So are the partners sharing the profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. So same ratio. And Ram withdraws 5,000 per month. Ram is withdrawing, imagine that Ram is withdrawing 5,000 per month. That's on every month, first of every month. Next one, Lakshman is withdrawing 4,000 per month. Lakshman is 4,000. This is per month. On last day, then Hanuman withdraws 3,000 per month. Hanuman 3,000 per month. So this is on middle of every month. Calculate interest on profit or interest on drawing, same 6% only. So here what you are going to do, different amounts. Means when you have to calculate for Rams, you will be taking Ram means 5,000 per month. Yearly it will be 60,000. So you will be taking 60,000. 60,000 into 6% into 6.5. Because every month first only he is withdrawing. 6.5 by 12. And 4,000 for full year. 4,000 per month. For full year, 12 fours are 48,000. So 48,000 into 6% into 5.5. This is last day he is withdrawing. Next for Hanuman. Hanuman it is 3,000 per month. Full year 36,000 into 6%. This is middle, means 6 by 12. So like this you have to calculate. You will be getting answer of 1950, 1320, 1080. So the difference between previous problem and this problem is that is drawings amount is variating. There it was consistent. Once if you have calculated, same one. Now in this problem amount is different. For everyone we have calculated. For Ram 60,000, for Lakshman 48,000 and Hanuman 36,000, like you got it. That's the difference, and calculation is same. Hope it is clear. The coming classes will see more problems. Stay connected. Please go to the description box or playlist. Many chapters, many subjects already covered, and also please help someone who is struggling to learn the subject. Share these videos. Sharing is caring. Okay. I wish you good luck and have a bright future. Take care.